guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today is not going to be math review. Today's not going to be Subways. It's going to be math review. So we're going to do some partial product review. Now partial product is two or more multiplication or division equations to solve a bigger multiplication or division equation. So we're gonna do the multiplication equation example first. So you're just gonna put a parenthesis, and you're gonna put a parenthesis. Well, you don't have to put a parenthesis, but that's how I like it to separate my numbers so I don't get them mixed up. And honestly, I don't know. I'll teach you some other partial products on the bottom after I do multiplication and division examples. So you put a parenthesis. Let's say we're trying to solve the equation 100. No. Let's do I'm trying to think. Let's do 16 times 5. So we're just gonna split it into 10 times 5. And then you're gonna put a plus if it's a multiplication equation. Or if it's a division equation, you put, I think you still put a plus, or maybe you put a minus. I think you put a minus. Because division is multiplication backwards. These are opposites. So 10 plus times 5 plus 6 times 5 equals 16 times 5. Now, how will this help us solve the total? Now, how it will help us solve the total is like this. Okay. So, we know 10 times 5 equals 50. 6 times 5 equals 30. And then you just add these, and 50 plus 30 equals 80. Okay, now let's do a division example. Okay. Put the parenthesis. Let's do, Let's do 10 divided by 1. Okay, so so 5 divided by 1. No, wait, 10 divided by 1. Okay, so the partial product that we're going to use is 5 divided by 1. I think in this example, sorry guys, I'm actually doing it wrong. Since division is multiplication backwards, it has to start from the product, which is 10 divided by 1 minus 5 divided by 1 equals 5 divided. I know that looks like a plus, but it's division. Okay, so 10 divided by 1, it's pretty much like 1 times 10. 10 divided by 1. So 10 divided by 1 is 10 divided by 1 is, I think, 10 divided by 1. 1 divided by 10. Wait. I think 10 divided by 1 is, I don't know actually. Give me a minute, please. Okay, so 10 divided by 1 is 10. Finally figured it out. 5 divided by 1 is 5 minus equals 5. Yep. So this is how you do division partial products. And another way to do partial products is it actually doesn't even have to be like a multiplication equation. It can also be like a number. So this is the example we're gonna do. So parenthesis. So this time we're gonna use a number. 2 in these examples, you're adding and subtracting. So, 2 guys, remove this, just ignore this parenthesis. 2 times 5, you guys see the time symbol here, right? And then you do times. But the thing is, look, this is 10 times 2 times 5 equals. Now, it won't be 4 times 5 since it's multiplication. It will actually be, okay, solve this. So this, 2 times 5 equals 10. Another 2 times 5 equals 10. So this equation, it becomes 10 times 10 equals 100. So yeah, that's how you do partial products. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm filming this a little later after the first part of the video, but the second part of the video is that you can actually use partial products matching arrays. So we're just gonna draw an array that matches the partial product. we're trying to solve 7 times 5. So this is an open array which doesn't have any lines. So we're trying to solve 7 times 5. So, but in this array, we're just gonna put 7 and 3. That's the first partial product. Then you draw the second array. Seven, but it's gonna be 2. See the partial product. You put your parenthesis. You put 7 times 3, and you put 7 times 3 because these are the rows, these are the columns, and in other words, this is the length and this is the width. So to find the area inside of this array, you can use a partial product equation. 7 times 3 plus 7 times 2 equals 7 times 5. Okay, ignore this parenthesis. 7 times 5, and this is what the equation is representing. You can see. Use the partial products with arrays.